So multiplication of fraction. So you're welcome to this class. In this class, you shall be learning how to multiply fractions. So stay tuned as we continue. So example 1. So example 1, we're given 1/2 times 3/4. So now I want to quickly show you guys something what we call diagonal. So a diagonal line is a line from one top edge to another bottom opposite. Okay, let me just draw it. So from this point, if a line is drawn from this point to this other point, it's called a diagonal line. Same thing here. If a line is drawn from this point to this point, it's called a diagonal line. So 2 is diagonal to 3, 3 is diagonal to 2, so they can divide diagonally. 1 is diagonal to 2, 1 is diagonal to 4, 4 also is diagonal to 1, so they can divide diagonally. In multiplication of fraction, you can divide diagonally. It also means what is at the down can divide what is at the top, what at the top can divide what is at the down. Numerator can divide denominator, denominator can divide numerator. So in this case, 1 we divide 4, but still the time it still in 4 place, so no need. 2 and 3 we divide, but there will be remainder, so no need. In this case, you just sum them 1 times 3 and 2 times 4. So we have 1 times 3 and 2 times 4, which should be 1 times 3 is 3, all over 2 times 4 is 8, and that's our final answer, and that's correct. So question 2. We have 2 whole number 1/2 times 2/5. So this mixed fraction, you're going to change it to improper fraction, that is 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 for 4 plus 1, 5. That is 5 over denominator 2 times 2/5. So 5 can divide 5, 2 can divide 2. As I said, diagonal divides each other. So in multiplication of fraction, in multiplication of fraction, diagonals divide each other. So that means 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So what we have left is 1 times 1 over 1 times 1 equals to 1/1 equals to 1. Final answer, and that's correct. So let's quickly take another sample, example 3. So in example 3, we are given 12 times 25 all over 10 times 18. So what number can go in 10 and 25? I guess 5. So 5 in 25 5 times, 5 in 10 twice. What can go in 12 and 18? 6 can go. 6 is the largest number that can go. 6 in 12 2, 6 in 18 3. So what we have left is 2 times 5 all over 2 times 3. So 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 can go in 10 one time, remainder 4 over 6. So that's my final answer, and that's correct. So let's see question 4. Question 4, we're given 4 over 7 of each whole number 3 over 4. So we're going to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is 8 times 4 plus 3. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. So we have 4 over 7. Off means multiplication. That is 35 over 4. So 7 and 35 can divide. 7 can go in 35 5 times. So 7 here 1, 7 35 5. 4 and 4 can divide. 4 in 4 1, 4 in 4 1. So what do we have left? We are left with 1 times 5 all over 1 times 1. 1 times 5 is 5 all over 1 times 1 is 1. 5 over 1 is 5. That's our final answer. That's correct. So let's go to question 5. So in question 5, we are given 2 whole number 1 over 2 all squared. So square means it should appear twice. So this means 2 whole number 1 over 2 times 2 whole number 1 over 2. That is the meaning of all squared. So changing that mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have 2 times 2 for 4 plus 1 5. So we have it as 5 over 2 times 5 over 2. So 5 times 5, that is 5 times 5 all over 2 times 2. 5 times 5 is 25. All over 2 times 2 is 4. 4 in 25 we go. 4 times 1 for 4 times 2 is 4 times 3 4 times 4 64 times 1 10 4 times 6 24. So it will go 6 times in the 24th place. 24 to 25 is distance of 1 all over denominator 4. That's our final answer, and that's correct. So let's take example 6. So we're giving 3 whole number 3 over 4 times 4 over 9 times 1 whole number 1 over 5. So changing this mixed fraction to improper fraction, 4 times 3 12, 12 plus 3 12 plus 3 12 plus 3 15. So I have it as 15 over 4 times, that one is already a proper fraction, 4 over 9 times 1 times 5 5 plus 1 6 6 over 5. So let's divide. 4 and 4 can divide. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. 5 and 15 can divide. 5 here 1, 5 and 15 3. 3 and 9 can divide. 3 here 1, 3 and 9 3. 3 and 6 can divide. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So what do we have left? We are left with 1 times 1 times 2. 1 times 1 times 2 for the numerator. Therefore the denominator, we are left with 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 times 2 is 2 all over. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So 2 over 1 is 2. And that's our final answer, and that's correct. So let's take our final example. Which is example 7. We have 12 over 25, 12 over 25 times of in bracket 1 whole number 1 over 4 all squared. So this means 12 over 25 Of means times 1/4 times 1/4. So 1 times 4 plus 1 5. So this means 12/25 times 5/4 times 5/4. So in this case, so let's divide. 5 and 25 can divide. 5 here 1, 5 in 25 5. 5 and this 5 can divide. 5 here 1, 5 in this 5 1. 4 and 12 can divide. 4 here 1, 4 in 12 3. So what do we have left? 3 times 1 times 1. 3 times 1 times 1 all over 1 times 1 times 4. 1 times 1 times 4. So we're taking it to this side. So 3 times 1 times 1 is, okay, let's just write it here, equals to 3 all over 1 times 1 times 4 is 4. So that is 3/4 final answer, and that's correct. So final answer is 3/4. So we are through with multiplication fraction. So if you have any question or anything isn't very clear to you, or you discover something that you are not well satisfied with, ensure you write your question in the comment section below. I'll be very willing and eager to answer every of your questions promptly. So if you love what we're doing here, ensure you quickly do something by smashing the subscribe button and turning on the notification so that you get notified on every update we'll be dropping as it goes. So I'll meet you in the next class. In the next class we shall be discussing about division of fractions.